What's up, my YT homies? This is Alethea, and I am back with another video. And I'm getting ready to go to work, and I actually I didn't just shampoo my hair, but I shampooed my hair this morning when I got up so that I can go and get my retie this afternoon when I get off work. When I tell y'all that this time seems to be going by so fast since I got my hair locked, and oh my goodness, I got flakes or something up there. I'm gonna have to shampoo my hair again. Just can't right now, but the shampoo did get the dryness up, I guess. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take them down. This morning I'm not going to be able to go through and just detangle because I have to get out of here. But throughout the day while I'm at work, if I get moments and things like that, I am going to go through and detangle my hair while I'm at work. Got a little training today at work, and then I have a luncheon at work as well. We'll have to leave. It's not at work, it's somewhere else, but it's for work. So I just got a lot that is going on, guys. A lot. Y'all gotta excuse my, well, you don't have to excuse my voice, but because it is what it is. But these allergies and my sinus issues, I'm like really telling you. Okay, so I do have the Lock-Set spray in this bottle, and this bottle lets you actually see what the Lock-Set spray looks like. One of my friends, childhood friends, and you know, we've been talking a little bit since we got back in touch. She recommended, when I made the last video and I was talking about how the Lock-Set spray sprayed out, she recommended that I the Lock-Set spray in this bottle. So that is what I did. So let me point something out to y'all. I don't know if y'all saw, but right here on my ends I have them tucked, because the last video that I made where I was talking about my retie and I banded my hair, and I was, you know, being very careful not to, very careful around my edges so I wouldn't lose those little locks. My loctician told me, she said that I did really good, because I have talked to her since that video, that I did really good with braiding and banding. However, that I needed to protect my ends by tucking them in, because I didn't want to get bunching. That's what she called it, bunching. So I didn't want to get bunching on them, so I did tuck them in this time. And come to think of that video as well, in that video I talked about my loctician making a video where she was talking about people doing what they're supposed to do, listening to their consultant. And I was saying that, and it was a Facebook video, and I made the comment that I felt like she was probably talking about me. I said maybe she wasn't, but I did kind of feel that way. And so that nobody will think that, okay, I'm talking about my loctician and I'm saying my loctician is talking about someone and all that kind of stuff, because you know, it's like if you say things that are not true, you could be messing with someone's character. However, I don't do that. Everyone is entitled to their opinion. However, like I said, I'm not going to say anything about my loctician that is going to show her in a negative light. So with that being said, when I made that comment, once again, I said I felt like she was talking about me, but I could not be 100% sure. So with that being said, have you ever, for those of you that go to church, ever been to church and the pastor made the comment that, well, not made a comment, but the pastor was preaching on a sermon, and you know that the pastor didn't know what you had been doing because the pastor was not in your house, was not where you were or what have you, but you just felt like the sermon just touched home. And that's kind of the same situation when she made the statement saying things about, I forget what she said, but I would have to go back to the other video. But when she was saying about, you know, following your loctician's advice, listening to your loctician, I did not. I told y'all I was putting an excess amount of water in my hair, and I think that was part of what caused my slippage. And I wasn't using the Lock-Set spray as much. And this month, since I got my retie, I have not, when I tell you, and I'm so proud of myself, I have not sprayed any water in my hair. The only water that has touched my hair has been the water from me shampooing it. Also, I've been using the Lock-Set spray a lot and feel a change in my hair, and I think that when I go to see her this afternoon, she'll feel that change as well. There's definitely a change. And y'all, if I look a bit tired, it's because I am. I'm not just tired. I think I'm a bit stressed just a little bit. I'm trying to do so much. I'm trying to, you know, do what I have to do at work. I'm trying to juggle my home life, trying to cook more at home, so we can stop going out to eat so much, because that's not good, that's not healthy. Trying to go work out, and I've been getting up at 3:30 in the morning to go and work out because my evenings are just like filled. But also I have been also I'm actually getting ready to compete in a play with my students, and so after school we're practicing for that. And then my daughter, she's taking Spanish and geometry this year because she didn't take geometry last year because her 9th grade year some things got off track. That's a whole different story, but I'm trying to make sure that I help her. And it's just I feel like I'm stretched. I feel like I'm stretched to the limit, to where it's not overwhelming, but it's too much. It's too much. And the play will be over at the end of the month. The play, I'm going to try to perform it at the school. I'm going to ask my principal which day we can perform it at the school, so that my students can get acclimated to performing in front of an audience, because we haven't had it's a one-act play, and like I said, it's a competition, and we have not, at my school, we have not competed in the competition. And I've been there, this makes my 9th year, and I didn't even know anything about the one-act play until I got drama last year, and it wasn't explained to me. So, and the people that had it before me, they never did the one-act play, so you know, I didn't know anything about it. But I'm trying to do that with us, and at the school do the one-act play, give the children opportunity to do something else. But that'll be over in a minute. So it's just like I said, I have too much. I have a plethora of things going on, trying to juggle everything, but I'll make it through. I'll manage. And then, like I said, dealing with my issues, with my sinus issues and all that, that's just a killer in and of itself. So that bothers me. But yeah, so I gotta pretty much hurry to get my butt up out of here. I go to work pretty early so I can get things done, hoping that I'll get everything done and I won't have to bring work home, because that was something I was doing as well, bringing work home. So I try to get there early to get it done. And so that's worked out pretty good. It's just my balance in my evening times, because I'll end up leaving work later than I plan, and sometimes I just don't get done. I get done, but sometimes I just still get home later than what I plan on getting home. So that kind of affects that. Oh, and let me tell y'all, so the last video, I don't know if it's the last video, well, I think it was the last video, but anyway, I get all over the place. When I talked about, and I'm going to put a clip here if I still have it, but I talked about the lock set spray, that I need to get some more, yada, yada, yada. No, that wasn't the one I talked about, lock set spray. Anyway, when I reviewed the Personal Effects, that's it. I reviewed the Personal Effects lock set spray, and in that video, I showed y'all the shampoo sample that they sent me. Well, one of the owners, I think, or co-founders, or she reached out to me and offered to send me some shampoo, because I said something about the consistency of the shampoo being kind of runny, and she sent me some shampoo. And not only did she send me some shampoo, she sent me another bottle of lock set spray, as well as a sample lock set spray and a sample shampoo. And that's what I shampooed my hair with this morning. I shampooed my hair with that spray, that shampoo, and I actually shampooed it twice. And I do feel like my hair is definitely clean. As you can see the little, I don't know what those little white specks are. I see people that have Sisterlocks talking about them. So I don't know whether it's they have dead hair, or whether it's dry scalp flakes, because before I got Sisterlocks, I didn't have issues with dandruff or anything like that. But when you don't put anything on your hair to moisturize it, it definitely can happen. Definitely can happen. Dry scalp can come. And I do think I have dry scalp a bit. But so when in that situation, in that case, I will be so glad when I can, what do you call that? Start putting oils in my hair. Also, oh yeah, and I told you all that I would not be doing that much manipulation to my hair for the month, and I did not. I mostly just wore my hair the side, and a couple of days I wore a middle part. I did not braid it, or, well no, I did. I braided one time this month. I did not twist it. I don't think I wore a twist style at all. Last few days before I shampooed it this morning, I was wearing like a bang and a side ponytail, pretty much. So that's how I've been wearing my hair. Okay, so, woo. That's that one, the last one. And more spray does come out, so I have to be careful because when I'm spraying, I spray my arm as well. That is it. So I'm just gonna roll with it like this. I'm not gonna try to change that part or anything. I'm just gonna roll with it like this today and go from there. It's definitely wet. It's not dry at all. I have a knot right here. I'm gonna cut that out. About that. Not saving that. So yeah, but it's definitely wet. And I'll be back. All right. Say what now?
My phone said you commented on the Clark's post.
I don't know why it's telling you my business.
Huh?
I don't know why it's telling you my business. All right.
Because you are my business.
Oh, okay. Well, thank you for letting me know that. All right. So it is 7:42. It is way many hours later from when I came in this morning, but my hair has now been retightened, and it only took her about an hour and 5 minutes today. So she did my hair in no time, pretty much in no time. So I'm gonna give you an up close, like a 360, as I always do, just to show you. It did, I'm not even gonna lie, that it was tight this time, just like it is any other time. I did have some that were sticking together, so hopefully I can eliminate that next month. But she did say that my hair is doing better. It's starting to feel like it's making some progress. And I honestly think that is because of the fact that I have not been spraying the water on my hair, and that I use the lock set spray pretty much every day on my hair. That's kind of cute. I never put a bang in my face. Maybe I can do that. Let's see. Oop. So anyway. So yeah, so my hair is retied. My next appointment is actually November the 1st. It is a Friday, so that is when I go back for my retie. So yeah, but yeah, like I said, I think I did really good this month. I like that. I never wear my hair in a bang. I like that. I may wear it like this tomorrow in a bang. I'm not gonna give a review on this shampoo right now because I just used it this morning, and it is not, well, I used about that much. It's like right here, and I did shampoo my hair twice, and I can say that I think it is a thicker consistency than it was before. And let's see, I'm gonna do it like this, and I don't want to waste this product, so you see, it's definitely thicker than what it was before. So she wasn't lying about that. And it has that lemony herbally smell that I didn't like at first, but I do like it now. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't stink. It's not like rosy fresh, but I like the scent. And then, like I said, she sent me another bottle of lock set spray, and that came in handy because I bought 2 bottles from my loctician, but I ended up giving my daughter one, and I have the one that I put in here that I showed you all this morning. And then, as I said, I got these samples in this little sachet bag, satchel bag. And then she has her card here. It's Chazra Barnes, licensed cosmetologist. She's located in Columbus, Ohio. So here's her card. And then, like I said, she did send me a sample of the shampoo as well as a sample of the lock set spray. And I don't know about the shampoo, but I know the lock set spray will definitely come in handy because I am going out of town and we're going to be flying, so I don't need to take my big bottle of lock set spray because the what are they called, TRS, whatever those people are called, they would take it. So that came right on time and I wasn't expecting that, so I really do definitely appreciate that. So as I use the shampoo, maybe use it once or twice more, then I will tell you how I feel about the shampoo now that it is a thicker consistency. When I tell y'all, I am liking this bang. I really am. I'm liking this bang. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. I think I'm going to try to get up in the morning to do a get ready with me, to kind of like chit chat with you all and tell you on how I'm feeling, where I'm at when it comes to my locks, what I'm liking, what I'm not liking, if there's anything I'm not liking, and all that good jazz. So please stay tuned for that. And yes, I think that's it. So I'm going to go ahead and get myself together so I can go and take me a shower so I can get ready to go to bed. But once again, thank you so much for watching another one of my videos. Please go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe if you have not subscribed to the channel already, and hit that bell notification so you'll get notified every time I have a new upload. And yeah, so until the next time and in between time, you ladies be safe, and I will do what? Catch you on the flip side. Bye.